Today we are going to learn about advanced set operations for optimized data processing, focusing on enhancing computational efficiency through optimized data handling techniques. We will explore how set operations like intersection, union, and difference can be applied to real-world data scenarios, ultimately boosting your data analysis and manipulation skills.
Welcome to this session on advanced set operations for optimized data processing. In today's world, data processing is crucial across various sectors, and Python provides powerful tools to handle such tasks efficiently. Set operations are fundamental to data processing, allowing for efficient data analysis and manipulation. We will explore basic set operations like intersection, union, and difference, and then dive into advanced techniques that enhance these operations. By the end of this session, you will be equipped with skills to apply these operations in real-world data scenarios, allowing you to manage and process complex datasets effectively. Sets in Python are collections of unique elements. They play a crucial role in data processing due to their efficiency in handling duplicates. Let's begin by understanding the basic operations you can perform with sets. Creating a set is straightforward. You use curly braces or the set function. Basic operations include checking membership within, adding elements using add, and removing them with remove. Sets also support mathematical operations like union, intersection, and difference, which we'll explore in detail later. Understanding these foundational operations is essential for leveraging the full potential of sets in data analysis. Intersection is a core set operation, representing the common elements between two or more sets. This operation is particularly useful in data analysis when filtering datasets to find shared attributes or records. For instance, consider two datasets of customer purchases from different regions. Using the intersection, you can identify common customers who have purchased from both regions. Python's set.intersection method is optimized for performance, even with large datasets. While using intersection, be mindful of memory usage, especially with large sets, and consider using iterators for efficiency. Practically, intersection helps streamline data pipelines by focusing only on relevant data, improving processing speed and resource utilization.
The union operation is vital for merging datasets, allowing you to combine distinct elements from multiple sets. In Python, this can be done using the union method or the vertical bar operator. Union is particularly useful in scenarios where you need to aggregate data from different sources, bringing all unique elements together. For example, if you have sales data from different branches, using union can help compile a comprehensive dataset. Python handles this efficiently by ensuring no duplicates in the resulting set. Understanding the nuances of union operations can significantly enhance tasks that involve data aggregation and synthesis.
Difference operations in sets allow you to compare datasets, identifying elements present in one set but not in another. This operation is crucial for tasks such as data cleaning and identifying discrepancies. For instance, if you have a list of registered users and a list of attendees, the difference operation can quickly highlight who didn't attend. In Python, this is achieved using the difference method or the dash operator. This operation is particularly beneficial for data validation and ensuring dataset integrity, helping you maintain clean and accurate data records.
Symmetric difference is a set operation that returns elements present in either of the sets but not in both. It's particularly useful for identifying non-overlapping data between two datasets. This operation can help in scenarios like finding exclusive customers of different product lines. In Python, symmetric difference can be performed using the symmetric_difference method or the caret operator. This operation is beneficial in data analysis for highlighting unique elements across datasets, helping you make informed decisions based on exclusive data insights.
Set comprehension is a powerful feature in Python that allows for concise and efficient creation of sets from iterable data structures. Similar to list comprehensions, set comprehensions enable you to generate sets based on existing data, applying conditions or transformations as needed. This is particularly useful for filtering data or applying quick transformations. For example, extracting unique names from a list based on a condition can be done succinctly using set comprehension. By using set comprehensions, you can optimize data handling tasks, improving both performance and readability of your code.
Pandas is a powerful library for data manipulation and analysis, and integrating set operations with pandas can significantly enhance its functionality. By leveraging sets, you can perform operations like intersection, union, and difference directly on data frame columns. This integration allows for efficient handling of unique data, filtering, and comparison tasks. For instance, finding common or unique entries across different data frame columns can be streamlined using set operations. Practical scenarios include data merging, deduplication, and validation tasks, where set operations provide a robust mechanism for data integrity checks and efficient processing. In real-world data processing, set operations are invaluable for optimizing workflows. Consider a scenario where you need to deduplicate entries from multiple data sources before analysis. Using set operations like union and intersection, you can quickly consolidate and filter datasets, ensuring only unique and relevant data is processed. Integration with libraries like pandas further enhances these capabilities, allowing seamless manipulation of complex datasets. By applying these techniques, you not only improve the efficiency of your data workflows but also ensure higher data quality and integrity, ultimately leading to more accurate insights and informed decision-making. In conclusion, advanced set operations are powerful tools in the realm of data processing. They offer efficient ways to handle, manipulate, and analyze data, crucial for any data-driven task. By understanding and applying operations like intersection, union, difference, and symmetric difference, you can optimize data workflows, ensuring high performance and accuracy. Integrating these operations with tools like Pandas further expands their potential, making them indispensable in modern data analysis and manipulation practices. As you continue to explore and apply these techniques, you'll find that they open doors to more efficient and impactful data processing strategies.